If your workday feels like a constant cycle of emails, meetings, and never-ending to-do lists, you're not alone. And more importantly, you don't have to manage it all on your own anymore. Welcome to our new series designed specifically for small and medium-sized business owners focused on how to actually use Microsoft 365 Copilot in your day-to-day work. We want to help you save time, reduce stress, and get more out of the tools you already use. Take a moment and think about your current challenges. Is your day packed from start to finish? Are you constantly switching between emails, documents, team messages, and meetings? It's easy to feel overwhelmed when everything is urgent and everything depends on you. That's exactly where Microsoft Copilot can step in and help. But before you start using AI, you need to be intentional about where it can help the most. Copilot isn't just another tool, it's a way to offload work, streamline tasks, and give you time back. So instead of jumping straight into features, we want to start this series with something more important: clarity. Because the more clearly you understand your biggest challenges, the more impactful Copilot will be for your business. As you wrap up today, we want you to reflect on three simple questions. What's one task you wish you could hand off to someone else? What's something you've been avoiding because you're not sure where to start? What repetitive task drains your time or energy each day? In our upcoming videos, we're going to take these exact challenges and show you how Copilot can help you solve them in practical, real-world ways. You'll see exactly how to apply AI to your workflow. Take a few minutes, write down your answers, and come back ready to put Copilot to work. Because the goal here isn't just to use AI, it's to make your workday more efficient, more focused, and a whole lot easier. We'll see you in the next video.